Hello guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, we are going to talk about postfix completion. By the end of this lecture, you are going to have a clear understanding of what is postfix completion in PyCharm and how can you use it to enhance your productivity. So let's get started. So postfix completion lets you generate some of the code automatically without having to type much. So let's see how you can use postfix completion. So I'll first go to preferences, right? And I'll go to editor, and under editor, I'll click on general. So under general, you will see this option postfix completion. So you need to select that. And you can see for our editor, we have postfix completion enabled for these keywords. Okay. So there is if. So if you're trying to write if statement, okay, you can use a postfix completion. So this is how you can use it. So you will see a preview of before and after. So if you type in a.if, where a is a boolean value. So if you type in a.if, you will see it getting converted into a if statement. So let's see this in action. So I'll hop on to our editor. So let's say I want to write a if statement for this bool test variable. So what I'll do is I'll type in p dot, and you can see we are getting some auto suggest here for postfix completion. So I'll select if over here and I'll press enter, and you can see that we have its statement written over here. But there is a mistake that we did over here. We don't have anything called as b. So I'll just delete this and I'll say bool test dot. So you can see if statement over here, and I'll hit enter. So you can see it got converted into an if statement. Let's see what other shortcuts we have over here. So we have for if, we have this for if n. So if you want to write an if a is none, then you can write it if n basically. And you can also write if a is not none by using a dot if nn. Then you can get the length of the word or the variable over here. Okay, so you have this variable a, you can type in a dot length, which will get converted into length like this. Main is something that you can auto generate. So you can type in abs. So basically this is a function call dot main, and PyCharm is smart enough to create that function call within the main method. So let me show this to you. So you can say create name test dot main. So we have this function call within main now. So this is an example of how you can use that postfix. So I'll just delete this. I'll go back over here. You have a postfix for not. So you can see that return not a. If you want to type in this, you have to just write in a dot not. You have this for print. So you can type in a dot print and it will convert it to print a. So this postfix is very helpful. It might be looking very easy right now, but a dot print. So basically within just couple of strokes, you are writing this entire statement of print. So if you don't have this postfix, for example, okay, let's imagine a life without this print postfix. So let's say I want to print in hello. So I'll say print. I'll open this bracket. Okay. And then I'll print in hello. So there were some around like 4-5 keystrokes that I had to do. But with this, with postfix, I just do hello dot print. So I don't have to like take my fingers on shift and put in these brackets, right? So it saves some time for me. So it's really helpful. You can also write a return statement. So a dot return gets converted into return a. It's pretty simple. And you can also generate a while statement. So a dot while will get converted into while a. So these are some of the postfix that you have over here, and you can enable and disable whichever one you want. So if you like uncheck and if you hit apply, this one will get disabled. So it's up to you on how you want to use it basically, but this is a powerful tool if you are doing a lot of coding, and it will save you from a lot of keystrokes out there, and ultimately you will end up saving a lot of time. So this is about postfix completion, guys. So in this lecture, we understood what is postfix completion and how can you use it to enhance your coding speed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this class and found it valuable. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.